Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to unfreeze Venmo account. There are several reasons why your Venmo account froze. It may be due to the violation of their terms and conditions guidelines or something else. So just follow this tutorial in order to solve it. For unfreezing your account, first of all, open up your preferred browser and search for Venmo Contact Us. Now, tap on the very first site and you will be redirected to this page. Scroll down a little bit and then you will have to put all the necessary information of your account. You can also describe what problem you are facing and add the attachments if you want. Then simply tap on Submit and your request will be submitted. Now, you just need to wait for the reply of Venmo team, and this way your problem will be solved. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.